Hi, myself M. Junita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about string and numerical functions in SQL. See the string function. String function is a function which is manipulate on string data. String functions are divided into two types. Case conversion function and character manipulation function. Case conversion function is a function which is convert the cases of the string data. A character manipulation function is further divided into two. Return character value and return numerical value. Return character value which return the character value as the output, and another type will return the numerical value as the output. See the case conversion function. Case conversion function is used to convert the cases of the string. We have three case conversion function. First is upper function. Upper function is written a string in which all alphabetical characters has been converted to uppercase. Next, lower function. Lower function written a string in which all alphabetical characters have been converted to lowercase. Next is init cap function. Init cap function converts the first letter of each word in uppercase and all other letters in lowercase. Let's see the example query for this. Select student name, DOB, lower of course, init cap of address from student details, where student name is equal to upper of ANU. So this query will return the data like as follows. Next, we can see the character manipulation function. In the character manipulation function, we have two types. First is manipulating character string and return a string value. We see the first type of functions. First is a concat, that is concatenate function, which is used to concatenate the two string into a one string. Example for this is concat of good, morning. The result is as good morning. Next is a substr function, that is substring function, which is used to remove the substring, get the substring from the main string. This function is on the two type. First function is having two argument, that is main string, a position, that is starting position of the substring is given for the position. Example is substring of drink, 5. It will return the value king, that is from the string it will take the starting position, that is fifth position. From fifth position it is take as substring. Next is substring of main string, starting position and the number of characters for the substring. This for the example we can see substring of drinking, 3, 3, that is starting position of our substring is 3, that is from I it will count 3 more character for the substring, so it will return ink. Next function is reverse of drink. This function is return the string which is reverse the reverse format, that is GNIKNIRD. It will return as like it. Next is R pad of drinking, comma 12, comma star. So this function is give return the value that 12 character length, as our example having only 8 character, remaining 4 character from the right side is filled with the star. Next function is lpad drinking, comma 12, comma star. This is also a padding function which occupy full 12 characters. Here, as it is a left pad, it fill the remaining 4 character space in the left side with the star. Next is trim function. Trim function is used to trim the spaces in the string, that is the space before the string and after the string. So here you can see trim of grace. So between before the grace we have some spaces. So this function will remove that space and return the value. Next is same trim function with some more arguments, that is we are giving trim of G from grace G. So this function will remove the G from the beginning and ending of the string. So it will remove the G character from starting and ending of the string. Next function is ltrim of drinking, comma drink. This function is remove the left part, that is drin, drin from the string. So remaining value, remaining character king, king is given as the result. Next is rtrim. Rtrim is a function which is used to trim the given string to given string with the substring which is right of the string. So drinking, we are giving the substring as ing, so we have the result as drink. So ing in the right side is trimmed by this function. Let's see the character manipulating function which is return the numerical value. First we can see ASCII of string. This function find the ASCII value of a first character of the string. So here the first character is A, that is it will return the ASCII value of A, that is 65. Next function is length of drinking. This find the length of a word. The length of the word is 8, so it will return the value 8. Next function is INSTR of drinking, comma IN. This function will find the location of an alphabet, that is the substring is given as IN, it find the location of the particular substring in the main string drinking, so it will return 3. Next is in str function with 3 arguments. So if you are giving the third argument, it will find the substring from that particular position. For example, INSTR of drinking, comma IN, comma 4. So it will start finding the substring after the 4th character in the main string. So it will return 6. So next function is strcmp. So this is used for string comparison. So the format is strcmp of string 1 comma string 2. This function is used to compare two strings. If string 1 and string 2 are the same, the strcmp function will return 0. If string 1 is smaller than string 2, the strcmp function will return -1 as the result. If string 1 is larger than string 2, the strcmp function will return 1 as the result. Let's see the numerical function. Numerical function accept numerical input and return numerical value. Let's see the function one by one. First is ABS of. It returns the absolute value of a number. If we give ABS of -13 mean, it will return 13. It will omit the negative value and give the positive value. Next is seal function. Seal function return the smallest integer greater than or equal to a decimal value. For example, seal of 20.6 comma 10 means it will return 21. So it will return greater than or equal to the decimal value. So it is return 21. Next is floor. Floor function is return the largest integer lesser than or equal to the decimal value. For example, if you give floor of 20.6 comma 10 means it will return 20 as the result. Next is round off function. So a round off function return a value rounded to the integer place. If we give round off 20.6 comma 0 means it will return 21 as the value. Next function is mod of function. MOD of. It will return the remainder of one expression by dividing by another expression. For example, mod of 4 comma 2 means it will return 0 as the result, as the remaining is 0 for 4 divided by 2. Next is power function. So power of function return the value on one expression rise to the power of another expression. For example, power of 2 comma 2, it will return the result as 4. 2 power 2 is 4. So next is sqrt function. This function will return the square root of a number. So for example, sqrt of 36 will return the number 6 as the result. Next is cos of 90. This function will return the cosine of a number. That is, cosine of 90 will return the value minus 0.448073 as a result. Next function is exp of. This return the basic of natural logarithmic rise to the power of past numerical expression value. So ESP of 20 is return the value 20.085537 as the result. I hope you understand the numerical function and string function from this video. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.